When you're working on weight loss, meal replacements are one of the best tools for sustainable success. And here's why. Meal replacement products typically come from pre-portioned servings with known calorie content. They're nutrient-dense and may be lower in calories than typical meals, which can support a calorie deficit, yielding a potential weight loss. According to World Health Organization guidelines, meal replacement should include up to 1/3 of your essential nutrients like vitamins, minerals, and macronutrients. So even though you may be consuming fewer calories, you still get the nutrients your body needs. Meal replacement, in addition to a balanced diet and exercise, may help you minimize nutrient inadequacy, which may be a concern with restricted low-calorie diets. They also provide convenience, especially for people with busy lifestyles, so you can get a healthy meal without the time spent meal planning, shopping, cooking, or the cleanup. You can use meal replacements to fit your unique preferences and lifestyles. Replace up to 2 meals per day or use them occasionally when options are limited or when trying to maintain your weight.